Hello everyone, today we want to show you how to create menu in Unity. Let's go. In first step for making background, create an image in UI. Click on canvas component in the canvas and select the screen space camera option. Then give camera to it. With selecting this section and holding Alt button, make the image size like the background. Create an image to create a menu in UI and give menu picture to it. Then create another image to creating upper part of menu. After that, we add a button to menu. Replace the button image. Edit the text of button as you wish.
A few inches later.
Get a copy from button and create two more buttons. Then change the image of each button to the desired image.
2 hours later.
Select upper part of menu and create a text in it. Edit text as you wish. Now our menu is almost complete. We want the clicking of the buttons to be more specific, so we select the buttons in the menu. By changing the highlighted color, the color of the buttons changes when the mouse passes over them. And by changing the press color, the color of the buttons changes when the mouse clicks on them. Now it's finished, but wait, it is so simple. That is not good. To make it more beautiful, we add a particle to it. We already have the ready-made particle, so we use it. I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get. We will teach you how to make a particle in future videos. It's done. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked, subscribe us.
Of something you can forget, I'm living up every breath. I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.